Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you 5 skills you should look out for in 2025. Right now, these are 5 high income skills and high in demand skills you should look out for in 2025. Right, so guys, happy new year and welcome to 2025. Right now, there are so many ways to make money online right now, and there are so many tricks. If you go to YouTube right now, search for how to make money, you are going to see millions of videos showing you different ways to make money, and these ways require you doing simple tasks and making little bucks. Right now in 2025, this does not matter anymore. Why? Because as you go by, you want to build something you can sustain on, right? Something you can rely on even on later future, right? You don't want to just make little bucks and just get hands here and there, right? And in this video I want to show you 5 high in demand skills you should learn in this 2025, and at the end of this video I'm going to give you free resources you can leverage on, and you can start building yourself from there. Right, I will take you to my laptop screen, breaking it down step by step. These 5 high in demand skills you can learn right now, and you can start making a lot of money for yourself. Right, so I'm not going to waste your time in this video. I will take you right to my screen right now, showing you this process, showing you these 5 skills, right, and how you can go about them and how you can learn them, right, to further your income. Right, this 2025, I don't want you to start wasting your time looking for so many ways, micro jobs and micro tasks that can waste your time on the internet. So with that said, let's jump right into my screen as I break everything down for you. Now, these are the 5 skill sets you want to look out for in 2025. Right now, these skill sets are so important, and they are very important to your career, to your business, to whatever you do. Right now, making money online is very easy if you can master these 5 skill sets I'm about to review to you in this very video. Right now, I'm going to take you to my laptop screen, showing you these 5 skill sets, how you can acquire them, you can build on them, and how you can even start it on 2025. Right, 2025 is a year of establishment, and you don't want to be missing out. You don't want to stay behind. You want to start building your capacity. You want to start building yourself. You want to start building every areas of your life so that you can be able to start making good amount of money from the internet, outside the internet, or whatever you do. Right, so let's jump into it right now. Now, the first skills you want to develop right now is called the communication skills. Right, I know this sounds very awkward and this sounds very outward. You are expecting me to tell you go and learn web designing, coding, and data analysis. I know, but these skills right here are so important, and they are so vital to your career. Right now, communication skills is very important when it comes to business, career, personal development, or whatever you do. Right now, communication skills is you able to communicate what you do. Communication skills is you able to communicate your value to your customers or your clients. Right now, if you have a value worth 10 million naira, right, and you are unable to communicate it to your client will be able to know that you have that kind of value. Right, they say the business that make more noise is better than the business that don't make more noise. Now, if you have a value of let's say you have a product, and this product is very valuable, right, and you're not making noise about it, you are unable to communicate it to your customers, to your clients, to your followers, right, they won't know that you have that kind of value. Right, but a product that have no value or have less value, and they can make more noise about it, they can communicate it to their audience. Right, that little value that product has will be known by the audience. Right, communication is very important when it comes to business. Pass your message, how you can pass what you are selling, how you can pass your value, how you can pass what you have to whatever you want to do. Right, this is very important when it comes to life. Right, that's why they said school is very important. Right, school is calm, but school can make you money, but school can develop you to start making money. Right. You don't have to go to school right now, but you can learn these things from the internet, from the street of YouTube. You can start learning these skills. Right, you can go to YouTube right now, search for communication skills. You can go to Coursera, you can go to Skillshare, search for these skills. You can acquire these skills. You can buy these courses, and you can start learning how you can communicate, how you can pass your message, how you can pass the value you carry to your customer. Right, communication skills is very important, and is very vital to our everyday life. Right now, there are different type of communication skills you can see right there in the internet. There are different type of communication skills, and I want to share some of them with you right now. There are non-verbal communication skills. Now, these non-verbal communication skills include using body language, facial expressions, tone of voice, and gestures to express what you want to express. Now, these are skills. Right now, before we go to the second skills right now, if you are finding value in this video, I will just like you right now to like this video, right, so that I can get to more people. Subscribe to join the family for more content, for more of this, and also share it to your friends and family out there who want to learn from this very video. Now, the second skills right now is called digital literacy, right? Digital literacy. This is very important, and this is very important in our everyday life. Now, the world is going digital, the world is going in the internet right now. You have to have these skills for you to be able to go along with the trend right now. Every day, the world is advancing, tools are emerging, AI tools are emerging. You have to have digital literacy to be able to use these tools for your own advantage, right? To leverage on it, because as the world is going digital, you yourself, you want to learn, you want to go digital. That's the reason you have to learn digital literacy. You have to know more about the internet, you have to know more about digital. This is very important skills you have to learn in 2025. Now, the next skills right now is called digital marketing, right? You have heard this a lot, digital marketing, right? As this implies, it goes along with digital literacy, right? Now you have the intelligence of digital, right? Now you are digitally inclined, right? Now you have to learn how you can start marketing digitally, right? You have to learn the basics of marketing when it comes to digital marketing. Now this does not just apply to you being be able to like communicate digitally, but you be able to market your product, and this serves offline and online, right? Now, digital marketing is very important when it comes to today's world, because you have to market your product, you have to market your service, right? Now, this is where digital marketing comes in, right? In today's digital landscape, business are leveraging an online platform to connect and engage with their target audience and customers, with global digital ad spending projected to over $740 billion in 2024, right? Now, the ad spent in 2024 was over $740 billion, right? Now, it's billions, it's not million, right? Like, imagine that kind of money in Naira in our own local currency. That's very huge, right? And over 5 billion social media users worldwide, right? Now, this to tell you that digital marketing is going to be crazy in 2025. Now, this will give you an insight that digital marketing is going to be crazy in 2025. Now, you have to learn how you can use Facebook ads to market your product. You have to learn how you can use Instagram ads, Twitter ad, TikTok ad, right? WhatsApp ad. Now, there's WhatsApp ad right now. So you have to learn this part of this digital marketing, because without digital marketing, you'll be unable to pass your product or pass your knowledge, pass whatever you're selling to a wider audience, right? Now you have to learn this part, you have to learn these skills. If you can't learn these skills, you can employ or you can hire people who have these skills, right? This is very important when it comes to 2025. You have to learn digital marketing at your own pace for your business. Now let's move to the next skill set you have to acquire and you have to look out for in 2025, right? Please, before we move to the next skill set, just make sure you like this video. If you have not done so, please do it right now. Thank you very much. Now, the next skill set right here is content creation and management, right? Content creation and management. This covers a wide range of aspects of skills right now. This covers editing, this covers filming, this covers content creation, this covers scripting, this covers designing, thumbnail design and all of that. If you are from YouTube, you know what I'm talking about. You have to learn how you can create content. You have to learn how you can create a thumbnail, description, SEO optimization. That this covers a range of wide skills, right? So you have to learn content management, because content is taking over the internet and everybody is shifting to content creation right now. If you have anything you are doing, the internet is your space right now. If you are a shoemaker, if you are a tailor, right, you can take that business from offline, you can take it to online, bring it to the internet. People are on TikTok advertising their shoes. I went to TikTok, I saw people selling shoes on TikTok, right? They just come on live, bring shoes, and they'll ask you your location, they will tell you the price, and that's just it. They will ship it to you, right? Now, everybody is shifting into what we call content creation. Now, you have to bring whatever you are doing, whatever knowledge you have. If you are a math teacher, you know how to teach maths, you can create a YouTube channel and you can start teaching people what you know, right? If you sell food, if you sell clothes, you can bring it to the internet, right? Everybody is just coming into the content creation marketplace, right? Now, this is where this comes in, because if you are starting out, if you want to start employing video editor or script writer, a thumbnail designer, you are going to spend a lot and you are going to burn out, right? Now, you have to acquire these skills by yourself, and you can start doing this by yourself little by little before you can start bringing in professionals, right? Now, content creation and management involves the process of developing and distributing content and tools and strategies to do so. Now, content creation, the process of creating content that engage an audience and build credibility between a brand and its audience. Right now, this covers brainstorming, as you can see right here. This covers brainstorming, researching, outlining, writing, designing, planning and setting timelines, reviewing and editing, publishing and promotion, and all of that. Right now, if you want to get to YouTube, If you are a TikToker, you want to get into Facebook, want to get into Instagram, now this is what you need, right? You have to learn how you can start creating content online. You have to learn how you can start editing your content online. You have to learn how you can start designing your own thumbnail online. You have to learn how you can start researching, because you can't just come up and start creating content without researching, brainstorming, and scripting. Your description, SEO optimization, your tags, all these are under content creation and management. Now, this is very wide. I can create a whole video on this talking about content creation and management. But if you want me to do that, just leave it in the comment section that you want me to create a video on content creation and management. I'm going to create a dedicated video on that on this very channel. So let's move to the last skill set right now on this very video. Now, the last skill set you want to learn is what we call problem solving skills, right? I know this looks so unfamiliar to you because you have not heard of this before. Maybe you have heard of it, but you just see it as what is this all about? Now, this is one of the most important skills you want to develop in 2025. If you can't develop these skills, I'm telling you, it's not going to be hard for you, but you are going to find it difficult, right? Now, problem solving skills is one of the most important skills you have to have, right now in 2025. Now, the ability for you to solve a problem is proportional to how much you can make. Right now, look at Facebook now. Look at Mark. Now, Mark saw a problem and he created a solution for it, right? He was able to identify a problem. He wanted to connect people around the world in a very simple manner so that they can easily reach themselves without going through and sending message through hard means, right? That was the reason Facebook was created. And he is one of the richest person in the world right now, right? Look at Amazon. Amazon solved a problem, right? Problem of connecting buyer to seller very easily, right? Now, if you are living in a street that there is no light and everybody in that street has phone they are using, right? They are unable to plug their phone. That's the problem. That means there's no light. People are unable to plug their phone. To create a solution for that problem, you can just set up a kiosk and you can start charging phone and start collecting little amount to charge phone for them. That's the problem you just solve on that area. And that problem right there you just solve right there will bring more money to you because everybody wants to charge their phone and they want to come to you and you should charge them. And you will charge them little bucks and you charge their phone for them. Right now, for you to solve a problem, you have to what? Look for a problem and solve it. Right now, problem solving remains one of the most sought after skills in the workplace, right? As you can see right now. See, the ability to identify issues, analyze potential solutions, and implement effectively strategies is critical for what success in the role. Strong problem solving enables professionals to tackle challenges and all of that. Now, problem solving is one of the skills you want to learn. Right now, look at where you are right now. Look at problems who are surrounding you, and you want to start solving those problems, right? And you can start seeing money rolling into your bank, right? So I don't want to dwell much in this very video. I don't want to go deep in this very video. I believe this video was valuable to you. I'm going to create a part 2. If you want me to create a part 2 and we do that, right, just make sure you subscribe right now so that you will be notified anytime I drop more valuable videos around this very topic, right? Subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends and family, and if you find value in this video, please drop it in the comment section. Tell me what you learned. I'll be there to reply to you and answer your questions, and I'll appreciate it a lot if you drop a comment. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and share to someone. This video will be valuable to them. Right, guys, these are the 5 skills you can learn right now in 2025, and they can be a starter pack for you, right? If you have other ideas, other skills, you can drop them in the comment section. Drop the feedback in the comment section so that others can also learn from there, right? So guys, I believe you found value in this video. I believe this content was valuable to you. If it was, please just do well right now. Like this video, comment, and share this video to someone you know it will be helpful to them. You don't want to leave this video right here. Share it to that person, that friend, that family member. You know this video will be helpful to them so that this video can boost their income, can help them in 2025. So guys, these are 5 high in demand income skills you can learn right now, and this can change your life and improve your life in 2025. All the resources I mentioned in this video will be dropped in the description of this video. Do it to access them right now. That said, I have other videos right here. If you check right here right now, you guys can see some other videos showing you different ways to make money online. With that said, I'll see you right here. Bye for now.